Today I'm going to be doing a somewhat quick hair tutorial on how to get that kind of like emo slash scene look. A lot of you guys want to have shorter layers on top, but have it still kind of longer, but have that really cool layered look that blends into the bottom, which is, you know, typically that emo or scene look or whatever you guys describe it, but it's a really cool look. So I'm going to show you a quick, simple way how to get that look. Stick with me, don't go anywhere. Let's get started. All right, so what I've done is I've pulled all this hair up into a ponytail. Let me just lift this up here. So the hair comes down probably about right into here, as you can see here, just a little bit in the back. I'm holding this by hand right here because I want to show you guys, if you don't have a ponytail holder or anything, this is definitely something you want to be careful about because you don't want to cut your hand. But what I'm going to do is you want to make sure you cut above here so you don't cut your finger. But what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to start point cutting just like this, right on top of my fingers like that, okay? And I'm literally just cutting straight across using the points of my shears like this, all right? And I'm creating, and you can get rid of this, so this is what you're gonna look like, a little stump on the top of your head. Then what you can do is you can point cut like this. Again, we're using just the tips of your shears. You don't want to go too far down because you will probably cut yourself, and you don't want to do that. So it's best, if you're not a professional, you want to definitely keep this higher up into here. But because I have the experience, I feel comfortable doing it. So I'm continuing now to just chip into it like this, just to soften up the texture right into here, that little stump right there. But what you're doing is you're creating layers on top right here that are about that long. All right, now watch. As we let go, you see this hair right into here. See, here it comes like that. And it's going to fall down. Now this was dry. I didn't even cut this with it wet. Now, as you can see what's happening, let's shake this out a little bit. Let's brush this out. We can bring it over this way if we want. We're gonna brush it down. As you can see, the length is still there. But now what we've done is we've created some layers right on top into here. They're this long right here, but it also maintained the length all the way throughout the bottom. And now if you want to come in and just edge this out a little bit more, you totally can. You can make the bangs a little bit shorter if you want. You can do however you wish. So let's do the bangs just a little bit shorter right into here. We're just going to point cut right into the front, just like that. Let's continue to angle this downwards towards the face. All right, that already is blended from what we just did. Let's do this side here, combing it all forward towards me. Just a little point cutting, not much work to do. And now we've got the shorter fringe in the front. And now we've got that look with the shorter layers up into here, and the length is maintained throughout the bottom and the sides.